Looking for a way to keep your haircuts sharp and flawless? The stainless steel replacement T-blade for FX788RG and FX788S trimmers promises just that: precision cutting that keeps your work looking professional and clean. If you rely on your trimmer daily, this blade can make a real difference in the quality of your cuts and the ease of your workflow. What sets this replacement blade apart? It's crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, which resists corrosion and stands up to frequent use without dulling quickly. Plus, it's zero-gap adjustable, meaning you can fine-tune the blade spacing to suit any hair texture, from thick, coarse hair to finer strands. That flexibility ensures you get the exact cut you want, every time. And because it fits all 2-hole blade systems, swapping it in is straightforward and hassle-free. I've been using these replacement blades consistently for months, and the difference is noticeable. They slide on easily, locking firmly in place without any wiggle. The blade stays sharp through multiple haircuts, saving me time and frustration. While some users mention the black plastic part can occasionally break, the overall durability and performance make it worth it. Just keep a spare handy if you're cutting hair professionally every day. If your Bob-Biless Pro FX788RG or FX788S trimmer blade has started to dull, replacing it with this stainless steel T-blade is a smart move. It restores that clean, crisp edge you need for detailed work and smooth fades. Plus, upgrading your blade means less tugging, fewer snags, and a more comfortable experience for your clients. Worth a look if you want to maintain professional standards without constantly buying new trimmers. Ready to elevate your haircut game? Try the stainless steel replacement T-blade when you're ready for sharper, cleaner cuts that last. It's a simple switch that keeps your tools performing like new, and your clients coming back satisfied.